My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware called NBR. By the way, this NBR ransomware is from the Dharma ransomware family. The reason why it is called NBR because it encrypts the data and also appends a special NBR extension additionally to the file names. It's not possible to use the files anymore. Then the ransomware reveals a couple of these ransom notes in the form of a pop-up window indicating that your files are encrypted. It also reveals another ransom note, by the way, in the form of a txt file titled as readme. It basically says that the files are encrypted and that the victims need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money, so don't pay it. This ransomware appends this NBR extension to the file name, so it's not possible to use the data anymore because of this NBR additionally appended extension. And removing this NBR extension manually still does not fix the issue. The files are still encrypted. But you still should not pay the ransom because there is no guarantee that your data would be recovered if you pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and then after the program is successfully installed, start carefully investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.